In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use IPv6 on Xbox One. So your Xbox console can connect to networks using two protocols that allow devices to transmit information. The traditional IPv4 communications protocol and its newer version, which is the IPv6. For Xbox to connect to the internet using IPv6, your home router needs to have IPv6 enabled and your internet service provider must also support IPv6. The IPv6 is the most current network protocol, offering several improvements than the latest one. So in there, you need to have in here some options like you need to connect using IPv6 for your internet. Your home router should also have it. Your internet service provider or ISP should also support this. If you cannot connect right here, it might be because one of these three requirements are not met, which not enables you to use it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.